I was about to tell you that Meshy AI was the winner? Seriously, that was my first impression. Then I asked myself something that completely changed my opinion. Winner at what? Because saying one AI is better doesn't really mean anything until you know what you're trying to build. If you're making a game, your priorities are different from someone creating product mockups. If you're making YouTube animations, you're thinking about something completely different again. That's why this comparison turned out to be a lot harder than I expected. One thing that always makes me laugh is how we compare AI tools. We generate one model, stare at it for 5 minutes, zoom in, rotate it around, and start judging tiny details. But that's not how real projects work. Nobody finishes a game, animation, or product using the very first model that AI gives them. You're going to edit it, you'll make changes, you'll probably regenerate parts of it. So instead of asking, which model looks cooler? I started asking, which one would save me the most time on Monday morning if I had real work to do? That's where the difference became clearer. Meshy AI felt like the tool I'd open when I wanted ideas quickly. I could try a different concept, see what worked, throw away what didn't, and keep moving without feeling stuck. It almost encouraged experimentation, and that's a nice feeling when you're still figuring out what you want to build. Rodin gave me a different vibe. It made me think less about quantity and more about where the model was going next. If I already knew I was taking the asset into Blender or another 3D program to continue working on it, I could understand why someone would start there. It felt less like the finish line and more like the beginning of a larger workflow. Then I realized something. Maybe we've been asking the wrong question all along. It isn't. Which AI creates better 3D models? It's which AI removes more work from my week? That's a completely different conversation, because if one tool saves you 3 hours every project, nobody's going to care that another model had slightly nicer edges or cleaner textures. Time usually beats perfection. At least it does for most creators. So if I had to give one piece of advice, it'd be this. Forget the marketing. Forget the side-by-side screenshots. Think about the project sitting on your desk right now. Which tool gets that project finished faster? That's probably your answer. Now, I want to hear from you. If you had to choose only one, would you keep Meshy AI or Rodin for the next year? Comment below and tell me why. I'm really interested to see whether creators care more about speed, quality, or something completely different.